Hey, I am Okiemute Fole. Welcome to my channel. Here we talk about money, the tech space, and trendy skills that can set you up for long-term success. And if you're all about growth and staying ahead, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Let's level up together.
Hi, welcome once again to my channel. Today's video, I want to show you how you can create this particular video you just watched now using your smartphone. So we're going to be moving around different tools and I'm going to show you the easiest way to go about it. So let's dive in. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will get shared to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop more AI videos like this. So let's dive in and see how we can achieve that. Let's go. So the first thing I did was to go to ChatGPT and we're going to generate a picture that looks exactly like me in a pixel format. That's a 3D cartoon. So what I'm going to do now, instead of using ChatGPT and just typing generate picture for me like that, no, I'm going to head over to where we have the explore GPTs. Okay, I click on explore GPTs and I'm going to search for consistent character. All right, so let's look for consistent character. You can see it right here, which is this particular one here. So you can see, so I have clicked on consistent character. Let's see if it's going to come up again. Okay, so I can say start chat. All right, so I want to start a chat with this consistent character creator and I'm going to say start creating character design. So they're going to ask me, should the character be male or female? I'm going to say female. All right, so I'm going to say female and I will ask, can I provide a picture of me? Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to upload a picture of me. Okay, a very simple picture of me. Let's go to my device. Okay, let's say this. Okay, so I'm going to use this and then I'm going to tell it what I want. I should be wearing a purple round neck t-shirt with the inscription tech savvy. Now this is how you should do it, okay, so that you can get exactly what you want with the inscription tech savvy. And okay, see how I'm prompting it now. All right, so I have written my prompt. So if you want this particular prompt I'm giving to ChatGPT now, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'm going to share it with you. All you need to do is to just modify it to suit your own satisfaction. Okay, so now I'm going to send it to ChatGPT and I'll see what it's going to say next to me. Okay, so I'm going to name it this should be Okiemute, right? Let's call it Okiemute. Okay, all right, so see how it's very detailed to asking me questions, right? So the age range, let's say within 20 to 30. All right, 20 to 30, a Nigerian. The hair details, the color should be brown. So let me say brown hair. So I'm providing this information so that it will be accurate for me. So you can see right now it's generating this particular image for us. So it won't take time. I'm just going to pause this video. So as you can see on my screen, it has generated my picture for me. Can you see now? So if I want it to give me this same picture from a different angle, it will also generate it. So you can see everything I asked it to generate for me are here: my ring, my wristwatch, the podcast, the clock behind, the small vessel, that's the small vessel of flowers, the frame of a picture of me, and also the frame where I said you should put "with computer you are powerful" behind me. Every single thing are there. So what you need to do is to give it the right prompt, and it will generate something really amazing. Even the tech savvy inscription at the front of my t-shirt is also there. Can you see? So that's how to generate these particular images. Now I want to tell it to generate it also again from another angle. So I'm going to say thank you. All right, so you can see the second picture we just generated now, right? Can you see it now? So that's it, and I'm going to download it. So let's head to this particular website that is going to help us to animate these particular pictures that we generated. So this particular website is called Hedra. Okay, so I'm going to come here and open my browser, and I'm going to search for hedra.com. So this website main purpose is to generate or help you animate your pictures. All right, so I have an account with them already, and what you need to do is to just create an account with them using your Google account, that's your Gmail, or if you want to get a private Gmail to create this account, I made a video on my channel showing you how to create a different kind of email, a temporary email that you can use to sign up instead of using your normal Gmail account. You can check the link in the description of this video and you see how to generate that particular email for free. So when you get here, the next thing you want to do is to click on try now. You come here, you're going to click on video. Okay, so when you click on video, the next thing you want to do is to upload your character. So remember, we already have two images. We have two pictures that we've generated. So you can see the first one and you see the second one here. So I'm going to select the first one, which is here, and the next thing I want to do is to get my audio script. So what I normally do is to record my voice because I want it to sound like me, right? So I'm going to record my voice for 20 seconds. So if you're using this particular website, you have option for 20 seconds. So whatever you're recording has to be 20 seconds, else you will miss it. So you can now copy your prompt, that is whatever it is you want to say, copy it and take it to ChatGPT and tell it to reduce this particular speech or this text to 20 seconds. So ChatGPT know how to reduce that for you to 20 seconds. All you need is to copy it to a different device or write it out, or whatever it is you want to do. You can record it and then just upload the audio script, your voice over that you've already recorded, just upload it, or you can record it while you are here on the platform. Another thing you need to do is to select your video ratio. So when you come here, I'm going to select it to be 9:16 instead of 16:9. All right, so I'm saying 9:16, and I'm going to open my other device so I can get the prompt I used for this session. All right, so I'm going to go to my audio and I say record audio. Okay, so now I'm going to start my audio ASAP. So I have done that. Let's play and see. Hey, I am Okebute Fole. Welcome to my channel. Here we talk about money, the tech space, and trendy skills that can set you up for long-term success. If you are all about growth and satisfying and staying ahead, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's level up together. So you can see that now I just recorded this voiceover. So if I don't like it, all I need to do is to just close it and I'm going to start all over again. So that's how you record your audio. Okay, that's how you record your audio for this session. So when you're done, just make sure you click on remove background noise, so it takes off the noise for you, and you can just go ahead and add to video. Okay, so when you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to prompt it, tell it what you want it to do while animating this particular image for you. And also you can change the ratio, but you cannot change the ratio to be higher than the way it is, because you're using the free version. Also for your auto, that's the duration, you cannot change it more than 20 seconds because you're using the free version. So head over to your prompting, you tell it what you want it to do while animating it. Do you want it to have hand movement? Do you want it to have eye movement? Do you want it to smile while talking? Do you want it to have a lip sync? Whatever it is you want it to do, just put it right there, and then you can now click on go ahead and wait for it to generate your video, your animated picture for you. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So you can see right here I have sent it for animation, so you have to give it some time. Like I said, give it some time to do that for you, and you can always come back and check on it, although it doesn't take to 10 minutes for it to animate it and send it back to you. Okay, so right now you can see it's done generating our video, our animated picture for us. And I'm just going to click on the download button and then click on download again. Do not mind what is showing to you, just go ahead and click on download and give it some time, a few seconds. So it's going to pop up saying it's downloading. Okay, so when it's done downloading, I'm going to click on the play so we see what we have generated. Let's see. Hey there, I am Okemute Fole. Welcome to my channel. Here we'll talk about money, the tech space, and trendy skills that can set you up for long-term success. If you are all about growth and staying ahead, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Let's level up together. Now, can you see what we've created? So that's how to generate this particular animated image using this tool called Hedra. Okay, so that's how it's been done. So after that, I'm going to show you how I added my caption, my a little audio at the background using CapCut. So remember, you can always create so many videos, so many pictures on ChatGPT, take it to Hedra and animate them on different level. Should in case you want to create a video that is more than 20 seconds, you can just do that batch by batch and then join them together using CapCut and any other video editing tool you're using. Okay, so let me take you to CapCut and show you how I added those audios and all of that. So I go to CapCut right now and I'm going to add a new project. So first things first, I'm going to import my video that we generated. I'm going to add, and then I'm going to head over to adding animation first. Okay, add animation. I'm going to change the aspect ratio to or I just leave it the way it is. Okay, leave it the original size, or change it to whatever size I want it to be, whichever one that I deem fit. So I might just as well leave it the way it is. Want to do is to come here. I'm going to first of all add animation. How do I want it to come in? I want it to fade in, all right, and then I want it to fade out as well. So the next thing is to come to where I have my audio. I'm going to look for a sound on CapCut. I go to my device. So I have an audio here that I would love to use. I call it I think it's Remember. Yeah. Okay, so I've added my audio now. I probably would want to start it from somewhere here. I drag it to the end, and I'm going to reduce the volume so it doesn't compete with my voice.
Hey there, I am Okemute Fole. Welcome to my channel.
So next thing I want to do is to increase my volume of me speaking. So I'm going to head over to volume and increase it.
Hey there, I am Okemute Fole. Welcome.
Okay, so you can see now the next thing I want to do is to add my caption. So I go to test, and I'm going to go to auto caption. So automatically it's going to generate my captions for me, and I click here, and then because I'm using the pro version, they are going to also translate it to French. Okay, you can see it here. I've already said translated language should be French, and I'm going to say generate. So just give it a few seconds. It will be done generating this particular caption for me. So that's how I was able to add the caption to this video. And when I'm done, I'm also going to add my logo to it to give it more branding and all of that. My logo is just my brand name, which is Tech Savvy. I'm going to add that to it. So it's adding now my captions. Let's see the results. So what you do when it's done generating the caption, you have to check the caption one after the other to be sure they are correctly spelled, especially the English part correctly spelled. Like my name, I think they always have issue with spelling my name, so I'm going to check that very well. So let's see.
Hey there, I am Okemute Fole. Welcome.
Okay, so you can see now my name is not correctly spelled.
Hey there.
So I'm going to say Okemute, O-K-I-E, Fole. Okay, update sub caption. So they've updated the sub caption too.
I am Okemute Fole. Welcome to my channel. Here we'll talk about money, the text.
So you see here we talk about money, not we will. Here we talk about money. So these are some of the corrections you need to make changes on. Okay,
I will talk about money, the tech space, and trending skills that can set you up for long-term success. If you are all about growth and staying ahead, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Let's level up together.
Okay, so can you see that? So I'm going to just adjust the audio to know where it will stop. So you can see here, I'm going to split, and then I'm going to delete the rest, and that's it. All right, so what I'm going to do next is to just add my logo somewhere. So my logo, like I said, is just Tech Savvy. So I'm going to add a text and say Tech Savvy. I go to my font. I'm going to use something that is very good, something that is very authoritative, and go to animation. How do I want it to come in? I'm going to say just move in this way. How do I want it to go out? I'm going to say it should fade out. I would love it to fade out.
Hey there, I am
okay. So I click OK, and I would love to adjust it and know where I want it to start from. So I'm going to adjust it somewhere here. Adjust the size. So see how I'm doing it now. I'll take it somewhere. Okay, so let's take it this way this time around. So you can see there, and I'm going to drag it to the very end of this video. Okay, so that's how I achieved this, and let's play it now and see how it looks like.
Hey there, I am Okemute Fole. Welcome to my channel. Here we'll talk about money, the tech space, and trending skills that can set you up for long-term success. If you are all about growth and staying ahead, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Let's level up together.
So you can see that's how I was able to create this particular video. So if you got value, please click the like button And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping more AI tutorials like this. I'm going to drop in more creative ones aside from this one you're watching right now. So remember, I said that if you're trying to create longer videos, it simply means you have to create them batch by batch. All right, except you want to subscribe to this platform. If you want to subscribe to this platform, you have access to more features. But if you do not want to subscribe at the moment, you can now create your videos batch by batch using this process I just shared with you. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to be sharing other AI platforms that enables you to animate your videos or your pictures like this. So remember, if I want to animate another one now, I could use the picture that ChatGPT generated for us from. You can upload to this particular website, Hedra. Do all the settings I showed you, from adding your audio script to your image as your character, changing your size, and you're good to go. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.